Relaxing, right? Well, yeah, it definitely is, and it was all done by AI. But how, why, and what? Well, I got this comment from Mr. Lemon Lover 777, and he challenged me to create classical music with AI. Okay, bro, challenge accepted. Let's get right in. First, we will go to Suno AI, an amazing AI music generator. Connect your Google account and then go to the Create section. And guys, be sure to check out this video of mine, where I go in great depths and explore amazing different AI music generators. Okay, let's click on Instrumental in order to get a music generation without any vocals. Now for the prompt, we could simply write something like classical music. But let's take it up a notch and ask ChatGPT the following. Give me a prompt for a music generator to create classical music. Okay, nice. Now we use this prompt. Okay, it seems that this prompt was a bit too long. Let's ask for a new prompt and try it. And press Create. Now it will only take a few seconds and we can listen to the results. That sounds great. Let's check out this one. Basically, we've aced the challenge, but let's take it a step further. I will take screenshot of this and ask ChatGPT to give me an image prompt to recreate this image. Now generated in, for example, Midjourney. Now I will animate it. Now add the music and video in CapCut. and export it in 4K. And that's it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have also questions or comments, please leave them in the comments behind. Here is the end result. Bye.
you